A lot of you guys might be looking to become an animator, and you might be searching a lot of stuff on the internet, on YouTube, and a lot of different channels for getting your answers. And I'm sure that it had been difficult for you to find the right guidance and maybe some right tips to start your journey as an animator. So I'm here to share you 5 important tips for becoming an animator. So if you are a beginner, complete beginner, you don't know anything about how this stuff works, then I have some tips for you. Watch the video till the end, and I'm sure that you will take a lot of things along with you and a lot of insights about animation. So the first tip I want to share with you is, when you think about becoming an animator, start with passion. Now this might happen. I have seen a lot of students who come to the animation industry by just looking at the money picture, that yes, there is a lot of money, there is a lot of stuff happening, and there is a lot of scope. Yes, it is, but also see that, do I really like it or not, or is it just for money? Because this is a kind of a skill and an art as well combined together. So if you don't have passion to become an animator or to learn these animation skills, then it's going to be very difficult for you to survive. Now you may start, but it will be very difficult for you to be in the journey and to be in the industry for a long period of time. So start with passion. That is the first tip for every beginner in the animation industry. The next thing is, focus on the skills and not on the certificate. I have seen a lot of students who don't have the direction, and people tell them that you do this certification, you will get a certificate, and then you will get a job in the animation industry. So this is a wrong approach. You might be getting misunderstood, or they might be showing you the wrong direction, but that is not the right path. So always focus on the skills. Keep on learning, keep on improving yourself in the skills, and not on different softwares, but on the skill, because software is just a tool, that is just a barrier. And if you are having the wrong approach towards the animation industry, then what will happen is you will be software constrained, and because of that mindset of doing the animation only on a particular software, that will stop you from learning new softwares and also improving your skills. So that is the second most important tip of focusing on the skills and not on the certificate. The third one is, learn from experts, learn from mentors. Now what is the difference between learning from a mentor and learning from some organization? What is the major difference? The difference is, when you learn from an organization, they have a particular approach, they have a particular curriculum where you might learn a lot of stuff about the whole animation industry. But again, if you really want to scale up, if you really want to move fast in the animation journey, if you are looking to become an animator, then this is for you. That you don't need to have all the degree courses or learn all the stuff about animation like modeling, texturing, lighting, sketching, right? Those stuffs are not required for you. If you want to become an animator, you only have to focus on the animation section, because if you go for degree courses, that is going to teach you a lot of stuffs. Again, that's fine, but what is your approach? Nobody is teaching bad, but it's just what you really want. And this video is for especially for people who are looking to become an animator, and that is why I'm sharing that. Learn from mentors, and that is how you can fast track your journey, and you can learn expert skills like people who have 4-5 years of experience. You can learn the same things in just 4 to 5 months, and imagine how fast you can grow in your career, and how soon you can start making money, and also grow and have experience and increase your salary and work on different international projects, right? So that's the best part, to learn from mentors, because they have traveled the path what you really want to travel, and they can show you the exact path. You can avoid a lot of mistakes where you spend years and years to figure it out, the solution, and here within just a short span of time you can avoid those mistakes and get ahead into your career. So that's a very important tip. The next tip for the beginners in animation is, have patience. Students don't have patience. I have seen this personally, that you start your animation journey, and then when you are not able to do an assignment, it feels like you don't know, or this field is not for you. But it's not like that. Just think about what you are doing in your real life. Just go to a situation in your life where you did something new for the first time. Do you think you were able to do it at the very first place? Suppose if you buy a new phone, it's difficult to understand the aspects if you haven't used a phone right before that. So the same way, when you learn animation, it's difficult at the beginning to understand the concepts and to do it, and to, because it comes with practice. Animation is a skill and an art, so you need to practice to have that understanding. So have patience. It's not going to be a 1 day 2 day journey. If you have patience, I guarantee that you will go far in the animation journey, and probably someday in near future you will also see your names in international films. So the last tip I want to share for all the aspiring animators is practice regularly. You might go to a session, you might learn from a mentor, but if you are not practicing what is taught to you, then again you will only have the knowledge into your head. And as animation is a practical thing, it's a skill. So when you go for a job, or even if you do freelance or build your business, you have to work and deliver the animation, deliver the service to the client or to the studio. Then you have to be the master at your skill. So if it's a skill, you need to practice it, right? If it's a game, if you think that cricket is a game, do you think that watching the cricket videos will help you become a good cricketer? No. You will have to go to the pitch, you will have to play cricket and see how the ball comes and how the things work. Similarly, when you come to the animation field, if you're really looking to become an animator, you learn from mentors and you actually practice animation in the right way every day, regularly, on different assignments, so that you know all the aspects of animation practically. And you also learn about the challenges you face while doing the animation, and that helps you a lot in upgrading your skills. So that's all from my end for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I look forward to see you and to help you more with some other videos. If you have any queries, any questions, do mention in the chat box so that I can create a video on that topic as well. So this is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first passion animator mentor, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.